Welcome to our discussion on Sam Altman's vision for artificial intelligence. He sees a future where artificial intelligence amplifies human potential, creating a powerful partnership rather than a competition. Let's explore this transformative vision. Artificial intelligence is not a replacement but a powerful multiplier of human potential. It enhances your capabilities, allowing one person to achieve what once required a team. Think of artificial intelligence as your cognitive superpower, handling execution so you can focus on ideas and strategy. Before calculators, math was slow and error prone. Calculators didn't replace mathematicians, they enhanced their capabilities. Similarly, AI is the next tool to remove friction, speed up execution, and unlock human potential on a grand scale. Large language models, LLMs, power tools like ChatGPT, they understand and generate natural language, write and debug code, assist in research, and solve complex problems. According to Altman, this is just the beginning of their potential. Sam Altman envisions AI as a tool for everyone, not just large corporations. With internet access, anyone can leverage AI's power, leveling the playing field. This democratization lowers barriers, enabling innovation without the need for extensive resources. Globally, accessible AI could boost productivity and opportunities, potentially lifting millions out of poverty. AI agents will revolutionize daily tasks by autonomously booking travel, developing software, and automating workflows. They act as tireless personal assistants, managing projects and executing strategies with minimal human input. This shift transforms AI from a tool into an active collaborator, enhancing productivity and efficiency across various domains. AI augmented individuals achieve a 10 times output multiplier, transforming one person into a team. Developers can now accomplish tasks that previously required entire teams. With AI agents working 24/7, workflows run continuously, maximizing productivity. This revolutionizes how developers, creators, traders, and entrepreneurs scale their impact. In the future workflow, you define your intent and desired outcome. The AI assistant interprets plans and generates actions. Automation executes tasks, delivering results for you to review and refine. This shift allows humans to guide and direct, while AI manages execution at machine speed. Building an app has transformed dramatically with AI. Previously, it required writing extensive code, debugging, and complex deployments, demanding a full team. Today, simply describe your idea in plain English, and AI writes, debugs, and deploys the code automatically. Your role is to guide the vision. Sam Altman's vision is powered by advanced technologies. Large language models enhance reasoning and world knowledge. Reasoning models enable artificial intelligence to plan and solve complex problems. Multimodal artificial intelligence processes text, images, audio, and video together. Continuous learning allows artificial intelligence to improve with use, becoming smarter over time. Sam Altman highlights the risks of powerful artificial intelligence, including misuse for disinformation and cyber attacks. Job disruption is inevitable, necessitating reskilling and safety nets. Ensuring artificial intelligence aligns with human values is crucial. Altman emphasizes that responsible artificial intelligence development is foundational. The future demands adaptation. AI transforms work from manual to automated, speeds up processes, broadens skills, and democratizes access. Embrace AI to gain a competitive edge. It's not about AI replacing you, but enhancing your capabilities. Adapt or risk falling behind.